All right, what's up, YouTube? So today I want to talk about one of my favorite new features in Claude Code. So it's the remote feature. So let's jump right into it. This allows us to basically link up our Claude app on our phone to remote control our Claude Code session. So let me jump in here. So I'm in my test project and I'm just going to launch Claude. I'll just launch it with Claude. And I've got remote control on by default. And you can go into config and go in here. And I'm going to turn this auto mode back to default. And I was playing around with that and it doesn't, I don't really like it that much. So I've got remote control on for all sessions. You can go in if you like this feature. I'm going to turn it off. And then I'm going to pop back out of this. Clear. Go back into Claude. And now it's off. So you can turn it on by remote control. And then it will just basically say it's active. You know, you can go to this URL. I've never tried to actually just open it. But apparently you can control it from the web as well. I'm going to do it from my phone. So I'm going to rename this session. Uh, rename remote control test. So then we can see that now our session has a name, remote control active. So I'm going to go into my phone here and I will pull up that recording as well. Go into code and remote control test. Okay. I'm just gonna say hi real quick. Hi. Ah, look at that. That's cool. So I'm gonna go into plan mode and I'm gonna say um, I want to use 7 work trees with 7 individual agents that will create 7 variants of the landing page for the algorithmic trading company. Do all of these in parallel. Okay, so it sent that from my phone to my session on my computer. That's getting annoying. Let me change the title. Claude. So we're in plan mode here. All right, so it gave me the plan, right? And I can review and approve it on my phone. I'm just gonna say, yeah, I approve. I approve of this plan. Ask me for permissions. Say approve, approve. Now it's running. I'm going to use, by the way, does remote control use additional tokens? Oh, that's interesting. Let me move, get off the screen here. Screen only. Does remote control use additional tokens? Yes, remote control does use additional tokens. When remote control is active, a separate lightweight agent instance is spun up to handle side questions like this one without interrupting the main agent. Each of those responses consumes tokens. So I didn't ask about, by the way, I asked about remote control. Okay. Each agent is writing a landing page in its own branch. We'll let you know when they finish. Right. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Is remote control available when using local LLMs? No. Remote control is a Claude Code feature that requires Anthropic's infrastructure. It works by connecting your session to Claude's backend, so another client can send messages to your running session. It is not available with local LLMs since there's no Anthropic server to broker the connection. Okay. So it looks like maybe 2 of the agents out of the 7 are done. Agent 3 is complete. Hit a permission issue. Yeah, I like this little, by the way, ask a quick question without interrupting the main conversation. That's kind of cool. Find that one. Enter. Oh. Enter to view, X to stop, Control X, Control K to stop all agents. Let's pop into one of these and see what it's doing. Okay. So basically, when you're using subagents and work tree isolation, I guess I've got a little bit of all the features going on right now. Work tree isolation, subagents, working in parallel without stepping on each other's toes. Um, the by the way, so I can ask questions like midstream. Remote control. I'm missing here as far as features go. Set the prompt bar color. I haven't used that one. Compact config. Efforts. Never exported before. Fast. Hooks. I don't think I have any configured hooks for this session. Or for this project. Sure. Mm, not gonna do that. Oh, I forgot I'm supposed to be doing this via my phone here. Let's say when complete, use XGD open so I can preview all of the variants. I wish we could use remote control with local LLM sessions, though. That would be pretty cool. Come on, Claude. This shouldn't be very hard. It's just 7 different variations of a landing page here. Tell me a joke while we wait. Oh, why do algorithmic traders make terrible comedians? Their timing is perfect, but their jokes are always executed in the wrong market conditions. Okay, 1 through 5 have been written. Now writing 6 and 7. I don't see that error message on the phone. Why? There's a little bit of disparity there. I don't really see the diffs on the phone either. You don't really see the time it's taken, the tokens, or any of that detail either. Is it just me, or is like Claude been a lot slower these last couple days since they released the 1 million token feature? Okay. So I do have the allow here. I will allow that. Okay. It's opened up all of our variants here. Gave me a little overview what they are. Let's go check them out. Okay. So this is our Terminal Hacker V1. Not too bad, not too bad. Now I didn't get the preview on the phone, but you know, the code's local here, so guess that is what it is. This is the luxury black and gold. Not too bad. The corporate. Too shabby. Cyberpunk. Hack the market. Minimal. Pretty minimal. The dashboard. Oh, that's an interesting one. Data dashboard. Live tracker tape. Very cool. Very cool. Start trading. Documentation. Huh. Kind of like that one. Old marketing. Yeah. I would say trade faster, profit more. Very cool. All right. So let's say I like this this data dashboard. I'm gonna go I like variant 6. Let's merge this into main. Delete all the others and their work trees. So I issued that command from my phone. Do I want to proceed? Yes, I do. I've used 93% of my session limit. I'm pretty sure we were only like 13% before this. So running 7 subagents and remote control on I think I'm on Sonnet 4.6 and I don't even think I'm on Opus. And like already my okay, only master remains and V6 dashboard line indicator. Okay, all 7 work trees and each variant are gone. Okay. Let's do a usage here. Yeah. Yeah, that definitely used quite a bit of stuff there. All right, well, let's call that one good. And that's gonna do it for today's video. All right. Hope you got something out of this. Catch you guys next time.